Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to understand what is the difference between inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. Okay, we will solve the MCQ, but before that, let's read out the definition once. Descriptive statistics means that deals with summarizing and organizing data so it can be easily understood. That means you have a complete data set and you want to understand what is the mean value of the data set, what is the median value, mode value, standard deviation, variance, and you can plot some kind of charts, graphs. All these things comes under descriptive statistics. Okay, these things we have learned. Purpose is what the data shows. But maybe your population is 10,000 and it may not be possible for you to get the data for all of them. So what you do, you take a sample from here, let's say of 100 people, and then you calculate different kinds of statistics to predict about the population. That is what comes under inferential statistics. See, it involves using a sample of data to make predictions or generalizations about a larger population. So from the sample, you are predicting the population. Okay. So in descriptive statistics, there is no concept called sample. You are considering the whole population. But in inferential statistics, you are taking the sample to do prediction. Okay. Now, examples: hypothesis testing, confidence interval, regression analysis, p-values to draw conclusions and make decisions beyond the data you have. Okay. You don't have the complete data, but you have the sample and you are doing the predictions of the population. Now let's do the questions. What is the main purpose of descriptive statistics? To make predictions about population. That comes under inferential statistics. Test hypothesis, inferential statistics. To summarize and describe features of dataset, yes, that's what descriptive statistics do. To infer values from a sample, no, that is also inferential statistics. Second question. Which of the following is not a part of descriptive statistics? Mean is a part, so it cannot be an answer. Histogram, this is a chart by which we represent data. Confidence interval, this is part of inferential statistics. Okay. We will do more MCQ from confidence interval. Median is also is a part of descriptive statistics. So the answer is confidence interval. Now descriptive statistics are typically used to generalize result from a sample to a population. Inferential statistics analyze the correlation between variables, organize, summarize and present data, perform hypothesis test. This is also inferential statistics. So we have organize, summarize and present data. Okay. What is the primary purpose of inferential statistics? Primary purpose is you have to draw the conclusion about a population based on a sample data. This is the exact definition. All the values in data set, no, that is descriptive. To display data using graphs, descriptive. To calculate descriptive measures like median mode, that is also descriptive statistics. Which of the following is an example of inferential statistics? Calculate the mean height of students in a class. Creating a pie chart, descriptive statistics. Estimating the average salary of all engineers based on a sample. Finding the mode of a data set, descriptive statistics. Okay, see, this is mean. So descriptive statistics, pie chart, descriptive statistics, mode, descriptive statistics. But you are estimating average salary based on a sample. So simply inferential statistics. The last one, hypothesis testing is a part of descriptive statistics. No. Inferential statistics, yes. From hypothesis testing also we will do many MCQs. Okay. Data collection. Data collection is neither descriptive nor hypothesis. You are collecting the data. Data visualization comes under descriptive statistics. Okay, so I hope this is completely clear. In descriptive statistics, you consider the complete data set. You calculate mean, median, mode, different kinds of charts and graphs. But in inferential statistics, You take a sample from the population and then you are trying to predict the population. Okay, and different things like chi-square, ANOVA test, F-test, p-value, all these things comes under inferential statistics. We will do MCQs and understand these concepts also. Okay, so meet in your next class. Bye. Happy learning.